Hello and welcome to my channel. For today's video, we're going to saute corned beef with potatoes. Here's the ingredients we're going to use. 2 small sizes of potatoes, 2 cans or 300 grams of corned beef, 5 cloves of garlic, 1 onion. We also have salt and pepper to taste. Here we have the full list of the ingredients and its measurements. To get started, we're going to heat up a pan. Once that the pan is heated, we're going to add oil. We're just going to spread the oil all over. Once the oil is heated, we're going to add our onions. Stir fry the onions until it turns brown or translucent in color. Next, we're going to saute our garlic. Keep stirring until you smell the aroma of the garlic, and that's how you know that it's ready. We'll then add the potatoes. Keep stirring so that it wouldn't stick to your pan. Keep stirring for about 3 to 5 minutes. Cook until our potatoes turns about translucent in color. Once it is, then we're going to add the corned beef. We'll tenderly go ahead and stir everything up here. Since our potatoes are now translucent, it can easily get smashed. Potatoes are an optional ingredient. We add them to our ingredients so that more people can eat. While stirring, I added salt and pepper to taste. Here I'm going to add half a cup of water. Make sure to spread the water evenly. Wait until the water is reduced. This will help our potatoes to cook. This will just take about 3 to 5 minutes until the water evaporates. Now that the water is all gone, it's ready to serve. This dish is normally served for breakfast, but if you want to eat it for your lunch or your dinner, that's fine as well. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe for my channel. This is JammyGhurl and thank you for watching.